What's up, everyone? Guess what? It is the Journey's first international trip. We are so excited. We're heading to Guatemala. We're in DFW airport right now. It is 6 a.m. We had to get up at 5 a.m. to get here.
Nate was running a little late.
You're running a little late, not gonna lie. But we're here.
I was ready.
No, alright. So.
Guys, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the adventures that we have coming. So, this thing is going to be the bane of my existence. Nate was insistent on bringing this stupid monopod.
It's for the wedding, and it will be very clutch. It's for the wedding. Lauren, it's for you. It's for you. It's for the shots.
Lucas, you don't care about Lauren. You don't want to carry Lauren.
Yep, absolutely.
Is he carrying it? Oh, that's right. No.
I'll have to carry it, no doubt. That was plane one. We're in Mexico City. 2-hour delay here, then off to Guatemala. Let's see what Mexico City has.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
This is our friend William. I sat next to him on the flight and we ran into each other, so we decided, hey, come hang out with us. He's going to Guatemala too.
So,
We got the huevos rancheros.
huevos rancheros.
Right, William? Did we say that right?
Yeah, you said it right.
He's been our interpreter.
Yeah, right. It's key to have
Yes.
in a country you don't speak the language at all.
You know what to order, just order a pancake, right?
I almost ordered pancakes and he dogged me.
He looked at me and was like, what are you doing,
Like,
man?
don't do that.
It's like, alright.
So it's eggs, fried eggs with like what the beans underneath,
Yeah.
and some red sauce,
Tomato sauce.
tomato sauce.
We're going to be here for, I think we have a couple hours left, but they haven't announced where our gate is yet, so we're just chilling until we figure it out. So we're going to eat, and then we're going to go find out where our flight is.
Alrighty, we are boarding the second flight on to Guatemala. Lucas is prepared, running around. Hey, still got William back there. William's been helping us out a lot. He's definitely a lifesaver. William is a journeyer now.
We in this.
We here.
Oh, I hate
We've made it.
this monopod. How many times have I said that?
A bunch. But Nathan is grateful that Lucas will carry the monopod. Wow.
The tripod and the monopod.
Hey, we're grateful that Lucas has 2 hands. So. Alright, people. Ricardo has picked us up.
Ricardo's the man.
About to head to the hotel. Get a little breather. It's good to be
Like 2 seconds later.
here. Here and relax.
What's up, you beautiful people? So We made it to the hotel. And we are chilling.
Yeah.
See, that's what he's been waiting for. He's grabbed this little thing 20 times today and hasn't gotten anything from it.
And guess
So
who
he's just
finally
getting
decided
his-
to pick up the camera?
I've been filming all day. You don't even know it.
I've been.
Anyways,
Don't.
so what we're looking at doing is probably going to the pool, a little spa action, and then we're going to go explore before it gets dark, but it's probably going to get dark soon, so if it gets dark, whatever, we'll just go out to eat somewhere and then watch some, what is it, Televante? I don't even know how they say it here. So yeah, signing out. Sorry it's not as eventful, but we'll make it work for the day, and tomorrow will be more fun. All right, bye. She waved. Alright, people, let's see what this pool's all about. Oh, what the?
This place is awesome. Look where I am. That's my view in the pool. It's like a little oasis back here.
Okay, the verdict is in. Y'all need to come to this place. So, I am heading to my spa. Nate just finished. We'll see what he thinks. It was his first ever. So, I have a feeling that he's really going to like it. I have a feeling when I see his face, he's going to have one of these faces right here. Oh my goodness, so good. So, what did you think?
Well, that was bloody amazing. That was my first massage. I pretty much almost fell asleep. I smell like Ben Gay. She was awesome. She did great.
Awesome. So this is the room.
Yeah.
Give us a tour. So we got a nice little table. Had the music playing. This is nice. It's very just quiet. Well, guys, I just got back from my little excursion.
It was a good call.
It's pretty awesome. Nate's first time ever. This hotel, you need to come. So we're gonna get some dinner, and then hit the sack because we're gonna try and go to the volcano early tomorrow. So this is probably where we're gonna end today, aren't we?
Yeah, we got food coming, and we're gonna watch the Cavs and Celtics game. Hopefully, LeBron
Yeah.
doesn't suck it up for
And
game 2.
none of you guys really care about seeing that. Watch us eating and doing that. So this isn't a food vlog. So here's the deal. Thank you for coming with us today on our first day on the Journey's first international trip. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button. We don't want you guys to miss out on any other adventures. And Journeyers, we will see you mañana. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Deuces.